Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now when you try to enter the game in Gangstar Mirage City online, then you get this notice. The server is under maintenance and you cannot log in temporarily. So this is not the error. This is just the server is down because the game is not live yet. You can see that over here server will get live August 20. So you have to just wait for August 20 and then you can enter the game and play the game. Currently the game is live in App Store and Play Store to download the game. You can also download the full game pack, HD asset pack, cosmetic resources, that is cosmetics expansion pack, audio resources, the radio blitz and the HD audio pack. Now when you select this server, you can see over here server list: North America, South America, Middle East, East Europe, South Asia, Southeast Asia, all are down because the servers are not live. So you have to just wait for August 20 and then you can enter the game and play the game. As you can see over here, servers will get live on August 20. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.